Hello students, hope you all are staying in your homes, staying safe. So let's dive into some learning. I hope you all remember the last two activities which we did regarding chemical reactions or changes. Today we will do one more. As you see here, third activity is about reaction between zinc granules and dilute sulfuric acid, or we can also take hydrochloric acid. In this we will take conical flask and add dilute H2SO4 or HCl and then put some zinc granules. Like that we have taken the magnesium ribbon. Here the zinc metal we take in form of granules. After some time we will see some effervescence or bubbles in the flask showing evolution of some gas, that is hydrogen gas. So some chemical reaction has taken place between zinc and H2SO4 which led to the formation of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So this is another example of chemical reaction or chemical change. After that, now we will learn about how to write a chemical reaction. I will told you earlier also that a chemical reaction or in an equation, it is the simplest way of describing a chemical reaction. A chemical equation is the simplest way of describing a chemical reaction. It consists of reactants and products with the arrowhead in between which indicates the change of the reactants to the products. Now chemical formula, that you all know what a chemical formula is, which describes the chemical compounds in terms of its symbols. The elements, its constituent elements having different symbols with its subscript. For example, water having chemical formula H2O. Here the constituent elements are hydrogen and oxygen, and that 2 subscript indicates that in H2O or water 2 atoms of hydrogen are there and 1 atom of oxygen. Okay, now if we consider our reaction, our first activity in which magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, so it gets converted to magnesium oxide. Now the reaction is between magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium having formula Mg and oxygen having formula O2. These both are the reactants. And magnesium oxide, that white powder which is formed in that activity, that is magnesium oxide, or it is the product. So if we have to write in word equation, we would write magnesium plus oxygen give rise to magnesium oxide. This is in the form of word equation. But by replacing that word equation with the chemical formula of the reactants and products, we must write Mg plus O2 give rise to MgO, where Mg and O2 are the reactants and MgO is the product. Similarly, another examples are there. First, zinc metal reacts with dilute HCl, the activity which we done now. The zinc metal reacts with HCl to yield ZnCl2 and hydrogen H2. So in the equation form we will write it Zn plus HCl give rise to ZnCl2 and H2. Here Zn and HCl are the reactants and ZnCl2 and H2 are the products. In the second example also, it is a reaction between sodium sulfate with barium chloride which will give white precipitate of barium sulfate. So the reaction is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 give rise to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl.